My office got an AI coffee machine and I think it cares too much. Posted by, you, Office Grunt, Soft Chaos, posted 12 days ago. I'm Alex, 34, and work as the head of data acquisition department in a mid-sized MNC. One thing to add is that everything in our workplace is modernized, like our CEO really likes tech stuff, and here the story begins. Before we begin, I would like to say to my listeners to please like and share. Your support means everything and motivate me to bring you new chaotic stories every week. So our office got this new, AI-powered, coffee machine last week. Manager Nesta really liked it and called it Sam. Also HR hyped it up as a personalized caffeine experience that learns from you. Which already sounds like something nobody asked for, but fine. Free coffee is free coffee. Oh boy. On Monday morning, I woke up and the screen lights up with my name. Good morning, Alex. Cappuccino? I laughed, thought it was just synced with our badges or something. Creepy, but whatever. Then it added. Cappuccino, your classic deadline panic order. Okay. That was oddly specific. I figured it was just marketing fluff until the cup came out with a little message on the lid. Don't worry. Your boss didn't notice the typo in yesterday's report. Huh, excuse me? Later, Priya from accounting tried it. She ordered espresso. The machine paused and said, espresso, bold choice. Just like when you asked for a raise last quarter. She nearly dropped the cup. By midweek, the whole office was talking about it. Someone swore the machine told them. Decaf today. You didn't sleep last night after binging that dating show. Another claimed it reminded them of their dentist appointment before Outlook did. We laughed about it at first. But the thing is, it's always right. Nobody wants to admit it, but we're all listening. Now, people line up nervously, like they're not getting coffee, they're getting judged. The intern actually apologized to the machine when it suggested chamomile tea. And today? Today it refused to give me my cappuccino until I acknowledged its advice. The screen locked and said, Alex, drink some water first. And, call your mom. She misses you. I don't even have her number saved on my work phone. So yeah. It's just a coffee machine. AI-powered. And somehow, it's the only thing in this office that actually cares. Top comments. You, overcaffeinated penguin. This is either terrifying or the most wholesome Skynet origin story ever. You, Daily Grin boss. In turn, apologizing to the machine is killing me. LMAO, we are so not ready for AI. You, spilled espresso. Plot twist, the coffee machine is your mom. You, chaotic neutral 92. Next episode, it starts suggesting promotions instead of drinks. You, soylat_skeptic. Okay, but like, where can I buy one? Because my Nespresso doesn't even know my name.